north, what's your name, sweetheart? Allie, what's your name? Okay, running from the south, what's your name? Okay. Come on, folks, give them a hand. Crowd hands out there. Okay, kids, listen up. Here's how it works. As you can see, our trusty hands under each arm. They're going to turn these chickens loose onto the arena floor. It is your job to chase your side's chickens from that end of the arena all the way down to this end. But it is easier said than done. So you're not actually supposed to touch the chickens. You just get behind them, turn them along, nice and easy like. First side to get both of their chickens across this line first, and it's a flag and medal for their side. Okay, folks, get ready to cheer on kids and chickens. Gentlemen, set the foul free. Let them go, boys. We got the big chickens for the north, little bitty chickens for the south. Folks, cheer your kids on now. That's it. Stay behind. Keep them moving right along. Looks like South's got to bring it out. Oh, here we go. Get it off through. That's the way to work it, Steve. That's it, sweetie. Let it go. It's over. She ain't giving up. Come on over here. You guys did a fantastic job. Did you ever chase chickens before? No? You did a fantastic job. She is persistent. Come get your medal, sweetheart. You've already won. There you go. Hey guys, look up there and wave those folks. They are very proud of you right now. Something we believe very strongly here at Dixie Stampede, and that is that all kids are medals for our northern contenders as well. And that's not all. Along with our very own Miss Dolly Martin, we help sponsor a program here called Dolly's Imagination Library. Now here's how the program works. Now simply put, for every child in our community, they receive a free book each month from the time they are born right up until their 5th birthday, for a total of 60 books per child, and it is all said and done. And since this program began, we have helped contribute more than $10 million, and worldwide today, we've helped give away more than 70 million books. We have a free book for each of our kids, with a special note inside from Miss Dolly herself saying, thanks so much for joining us. You guys can head on back down there with Skeeter, and this applause is just for you. Come on, folks. Oh, you gotta love them. They did a fantastic job. And the kids are gonna head on out, and as they make their way out of the arena, as you can see, our trusty hands are placed out the barrels, and they swallow.